A great poster starts with choosing the right template. Launch Canva and search for Product Poster. Canva will display hundreds of ready-made poster templates designed for advertising products, special offers, and business promotions. Spend a few minutes browsing through the available options instead of selecting the first one you see. Click on different templates to preview their layout. Notice how professional designs use large product images, bold headlines, and balanced spacing. This is what makes posters visually attractive and easy to read. When you discover a template you like, click Customize this template.